My name's Jerry Reed. I started in the plastic industry in 1979, so that gives me 46 years in the business. I've done everything from machine operator to maintenance to project engineering, project management. We've moved machines to other plants and installed them. Trained a lot of maintenance guys over the years. The NEX TEC training here at the facility, it would be more hands-on, no interruptions. You get the basics of how the machine works. We have rebuild components, be able to do hands-on for blow valves and rebuilding mold hangers, how to properly set up a blow station. What you would take away with this would be a better understanding of what your job entails. You're going to get some processing ability. You'll be able to do hands-on, make your changes, actually test those changes to see what you actually did to the bottle. You also will see some of the blow mold components, get some experience with actually handling the products and the equipment that you will be having in your plant.